Hello and welcome to Herman's RV Holidays, and in today's episode on our tour around Ireland we're going in there. That behind me is the Titanic Museum in Belfast. Doesn't it look impressive? It's cold and there's rain coming in over here, just over there. So we're going to be a bit quick. No videos in there, so that is why you're seeing us outside right now. That was quite good, wasn't it?
Well, it's about 3 hours, wasn't it? So.
Oh, you can spend a lot longer in there than 3 hours, but lots of reading. It starts off at the very basics. When Belfast was, not much really, and it's linen industry, and it goes all the way through the docks and how it was built and all the way through and whatnot.
Sank.
And then you get into this little, it's a ride, and you go through the building of it, and that was quite good, wasn't it? And like a bit of a Disney kind of thing. It obviously went through the sinking, or the sailing, the launching, the sailing, the sinking, real voices of real survivors. And then it ended up video of the actual ship as it's laying on the bottom of the ocean, 3,000 meters down. I thought it was quite good.
Very good.
Like I said, lots of reading to do at the very beginning.
Yes,
lots of
too
boards
much
and stuff.
Reading.
But you didn't have to.
No.
Now I don't know if you can see up there. Let me just see if I can point to that. Just up there. That's in there. There's like a model of the docks way back then, with this building superimposed on it, and basically you're looking out over this. This is now it's all concrete, but this was the actual dock where Titanic was, and Olympia was built. I guess it was flooded before, but now it's just filled with concrete. One other thing. The cost, it was like £18 each, was it? £18.50. Car parking we paid £5 for
4 hours.
4 hours, is that right? Yeah, so just let you know. Anyway, see you when we get back in Herman and find our place to stay. Well, we've come as far as Whitehead to settle up for the night. Zoe's in there cooking a couple of burgers. Whitehead is just behind Herman here, and it is right on the coast. It's jutting out a bit. Some great views from here. Just over there is a lighthouse which you can't see because it's a bit far away, and there's apparently a walk there, but it's all, as you can see, it's all cordoned off. Apparently they've had some subsidence along the path, so it's all closed off at the moment. Anyway, so as we settle in, hopefully this car park, this free car park with no facilities, is going to be ideal and quiet tonight. So we're gonna see you in the morning, when we're going to head north along the Giant's Causeway. Not the causeway itself, the Giant's Causeway Trail, I think it's called. Anyway, ta-ta. Morning everybody. It is Saturday the 15th of September, and we are currently staying in Whitehead, just east of Belfast. Now, I'll show you on the map. You can see where we are. We are here, just there. There's Belfast. We're just here. Now this map is not detailed enough. Well, basically we're going to end up going around here, but this map is not detailed enough. So I've got my phone. Hopefully the technology will help us here. So there's Whitehead. That's where we are right now. We're in this car park right on the front, and where we're thinking of going is the Goblins Visitor Centre. This is some sort of bridge or something, which you can go along and scare yourself silly as it follows the goes across the whatever it's doing. I have no idea, to be honest, but the guide said we should go here. Now, one thing that we have a problem with is that we're running out of clothing. So we need to do some laundry, and we've got probably 3 days worth. And looking at the map and looking at where the laundromats are, it's not falling into where we're going to be. The other thing is that we need to empty our water, get fresh on board, and empty the toilet. There is, if you go back to our map on our phone, there's green area here. If I'm going to zoom in, there is a golf club. Now, the golf club apparently has some overnight pitches there as well. Not very many, but it also has facilities for emptying and filling up. So I think we're going to go there as well. As we keep saying, we're making it up as we go along. Well, I've never seen one of these before. We're currently doing our laundry, but as you can see, we're actually outside, just outside a petrol station and grocery store. So this is very weird. Now, this is very good. Now, £4 has got us 45-minute wash, including the detergent, and you can pay by credit card. You just swipe. Simple as that. None of these coins. So I'm very impressed with this. And of course, once we finish with that, we're going to go straight into the dryer, and that is £2. So we're very pleased. We are in Carrickfergus at the moment, and we were given this place by somebody. We were dumping our water off at the golf course, and a guy came up to us and said, "What are you looking for?" And I said, "Well, actually, we're looking for a laundrette." And he said, "Well, there's two washing drums outside the petrol station." I thought, that doesn't sound right. But yeah, he gave us some directions, and here we are, doing our laundry outside. Anyway, once this is done, we're going to be on our way again, going around the coast again. Probably going to see the Goblins. Well, we've just come out of the Goblins.
Yes, sir.
I've been calling Goblins, and they're fully booked for 2 days, so we're not going to be able to get in there. We're going to be waiting around here for 2 days. So we're heading north to our next destination. So our next destination is Glenarm, and we are going to be following the coastal road around that. Hoping that it's going to be really gorgeous.
It's pretty so far, isn't it?
Yeah. sitting in these stone-shaped chairs on the marina in Glenarm. Oh, I can see Herman just through there. I don't know if you can on the camera, but yeah, we parked in this huge car park
In there as well.
right on the marina. Yeah, there's another Heimer in there as well. There's not much here, to be quite honest. We went and visited the castle, Glenarm Castle. It's not open to public. It's just a walled garden, and we didn't fancy a walled garden, did we?
No.
So we skipped that, had a bit of a walk around the town, come across a bridge with a big door in it, and the other side of that, I've just looked at a map, the other side of that is a castle. It's more like a stately home than a castle, but they call it a castle. Anyway, we're going to spend the night here, and there's a bear.
Hello. What's his name?
Riley.
Riley. Gosh, I think it takes a bit of grooming.
He's found something more interesting than me.
Yes. He doesn't
Hello.
look straight.
Was that brown or black bear? We're going to go and have our meatballs now, and then she doesn't know this, but I fancy going into one of the local pubs, one on the corner.
One of the local pubs. There is only one, isn't there?
No, there's two pubs.
Oh.
But one of them I think has got my name on it, with maybe a Guinness or two.
There we go, right?
Do you fancy that?
Yes. She has quite a nice photo, isn't it, of the marina?
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.